Okay, so welcome back to Python tutorial, and in this module we're basically going to be talking about inheritance. So inheritance.py. Oh my god, I'm actually typing in the dark right now. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get this thing. Okay, so we have a class in the other time, so what I'm just going to do is permit me to copy all this class of car like that. Okay, let's just create another one from scratch. So let's say we have a class of a family. So I'm not just going. Okay, let's say we actually have a family. So class of family. Oh my god, what is that? Okay, let's say we have class of family like this, and okay, what are the things we're going to have? Let's just create our destroy in needs. Uh, we want the self, so probably we want the the father, so we say father. We want the mother, so we're going to, and also the son right now. Okay, so right here when it says self dot father equals to father, so you definitely remember the syntax. You can say self dot mother equals to mother, and self dot son equals to son, so you get the idea. And right here we're just going to have a def of get father. So we actually have a function to get father. I just need to pass that, then we can just go and say print the so oh my god, JavaScript is actually part of me. Print this does father. Okay, I can just go ahead and customize this with an f string. So I really love f string. So there, okay, is my father. So we can just go ahead and have an option and say okay, get mother, always save. Okay, i'm just I'm cooking this up of my head, so we actually need to talk about inheritance. um just going to have save dot mother is my mother. Okay, so let's just see like that. Right now we are having a family whereby we only have the father, the mother to be specified, and right here I don't even think I should be going to the stress of. I'm just going to definitely have it's like a static like this. Sorry. Okay, so don't need to tell me if anytime I create a new instance of the family, I actually create a son one, son two. You don't need to tell me who's the father, so just get it from the family like that. So let's just say the father is John and the mother is Jane. Okay, Jane Doe, John Doe, Jane Doe. So the son is actually okay. We can just leave the son to be son. Alright, so you get the idea. So we know who is coming from who. I don't even feel like having this son. I just have it like that. So okay, so inside the family right now, we have a family that have the father and the mother alone. So we really need to know. We create the son one equals to family, right? And inside this family we can just say okay, someone dot get my father for me since I belong to this family. And if I try to run python 3 inheritance, oh sorry, that's my bad. I need this right here, sorry. Alright, so it say John Doe is my father because I actually created son one. Say John Doe is my father, and let's see what son two can actually do. So let's say son two is actually grown up, already matured, already get married and have his own family. So you can say class of second family. So right now the second family is going to extend or inherit from the main family. So we just say, okay, extend yourself to this family. Now you really get the idea. So we can just say, okay, def over init. So right now this guy is just okay. So someone in this family. So we is just already safe. I don't need to really need to bother myself. And for us to actually pull out the parameter inside these family, we need to refer to as the super class. So super. So whenever we refer to as super, we really refer to this class that we inherit to. So super um dot, so is followed by dot, that's the syntax, underscore underscore init. So whatever is there, you just have to have it like that. So once you have this like that, you'll be able to definitely inherit whatsoever is actually there. If I actually have a parameter set up right here, so probably the son before, and I can say okay, self dot son, sorry, dot son, I mean, equals to son, and with son, so I can just say um James. So probably James is the first son, like that. So I can just do the same thing right here, self son, and it's still going to work fine. And probably I can do son, so I can say self dot son is equals to son. And so you get the concept of what I'm trying to put right here. So this is just the basic syntax for you to inherit a value from the super class. Okay, let's just go ahead. So this is second family, right? And the second family is just going, let's say it's just going to end like that. So we just want to say this is a grandson. So this is a grandson right now that belongs to the second family. So obviously we know this grandson actually belong to the second family, and right now his name is Peter. Okay, so we can just say grandson dot uh get, so father, grandfather, I should have put it like that. So we can just say grandson dot get father. So let's run this. It saves takes two, sorry, I have some issue here. Init takes two positional argument but three were given. What's that? Init takes two positional argument but three were given. What's this? This is the second class of init underscores serve super second family. Okay, and this, let's see again, I don't know where I'm messing up right there. It's just it's really definitely yelling at me. It's yelling at me. It's most welcome. Right, says super argument must be type not second family. Right, thank you. Thank you. I'm really messing something up. Let's just see where I'm messing up right here. I didn't expect this kind of error, so okay, it works now. All right. I should think actually putting out the son argument, so that's what is actually happening right there. Okay, so you can see both of these guys say grandson dot get father is actually saying uh John Doe is my father, and the main son is actually saying John Doe is my father. So let's just go ahead and get a very the same kind of method right here. That's what I'm trying to pull up. We trying to say get father. So for this guy, it's not going to be get father. It's going to say it up there, get grandfather. Okay, so we can say serve and print back to me an f string and says self dot father is my grandfather. So next time I'm not going to say get father, and you can see because we've actually inherit from this from family class, the second family inherit from the first family, we are able to get the method that is being used under the first family alone. But basically right now we are having our own method. We can just say get grandfather, and that one should really solve the problem. You can see say John Doe is my grandfather. So this is a grandson. Say get grandfather. John Doe is my grandfather. So same thing we can say great grandmother like that or get mother like that. So what I just try to show is there to see the basic inheritance. So how you can actually go ahead and inherit stuff. So as a matter of fact, I can even invest something like self.son. So right here we can have something separate like that. Let's see what we got. Let's say John Doe is my grandfather. Self dot also means object blah 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 this. It says strings, thank you. It's my grandfather. For some reading it's pulling out for some reason it's actually um pulling out an object for me. Main dot second father object as this John Doe is my grandfather. Alright, I'm just doing some overdue right here because I can actually fix that. Sorry. So what I actually want to show you in the basic form is that how you can create and inherit from one class into another. So how a class can be extended to another. And mind you, if you actually have a two class or three class, you can actually extend this guy to each of them. So probably you have third class or another class can just say extend to third class, and it actually works, which means that you inherit from two class instead of a single class. So let's just make it things basics here. The more we go deeper into the topic, the more we actually get the concept of what's going on. So alright, so this is going to be the end of inheritance. Let's see what we have in front of us. So let's move to scope.